In this video, we'll be looking at the category sort pages found in the lesson pages of our Lesson Activity Toolkit. Where do we find these? If we click on the Gallery tab, under the Lesson Activity Toolkit, under Pages and Lesson Pages, you'll have Category Sort. When you click on that, at the bottom you'll have your 6 different colored category sort pages. This is what it looks like. You're given a template where you're able to go and change the column names, and you're able to go and change the labels. Let's have a look at it a little bit more closely. So if I wanted to change column 1, I would just double click on it, either delete it and give it a whole new name, or in this instance, I'm going to add to it. Then I have my labels. The trick here is the labels are an infinite cloner. So we can't make one and then clone them and then send them everywhere. You actually need to go choose how many labels you want first. So if I'm going to have 1 in each column or 3 or 4, I need to go and actually pull them out so that you can use them. You then need to switch off your infinite cloner and make your last label. You then go and double click on the label, highlight it, and change it to what you want it to be. So all I'm doing is double clicking on each of the labels. Once you've finished that, you need to put all the labels back together. A good idea would be to arrange them in a different order. They've come out in a different order. Then the students need to come up and put them in the correct order. Remember, this is a page exercise, so it's not a flash activity, so there'll be no feedback. You as the teacher need to discuss and give that feedback. Let's go have a look at the example they've given us. Here they've made 4 columns instead of 3, so they've just copied over another column title, added in another line and moved them along. Here the students can see all the words straight away, so they can then come up and choose which one they want to drag in. With the example we used, the words were hidden, so they had to use the word that was on top. It's up to you which way you go and use it. The students come up and they drag the words. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.